Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss about the data types available in Java. For that, let us create one class, data type demo. Since we require a main method, let us select this checkbox public static void main. So we got a code skeleton. Let us start using this. So suppose we declare a variable, for example, age, and you want to store some integer value. In Java, whenever you declare a variable, it is mandatory that you will have to mention the or define the type of data you want to store it into that variable. Since we are going to store integer value into this variable age, so we have to define or declare this variable as type int. Int is actually a data type which is used to store integer value. You can also store shorter values using short type. It is also a type of integer value. And there is one more integer data type available in Java, that is long. Okay. Suppose you want to store a decimal value, we can use the data type as float, is floating point value. Float, I can say money or amount, I can say amount equal to 250.50. If you want to, you need to use f also to indicate that it is a floating point value. If you want to store a byte value, we can use the data type byte. Byte equal to 8. If you want to store a character value, we can use the data type char. Char c equal to, within single quotes you have to mention some variable, some value g. Okay. If you want to store either true or false, we can use the data type as boolean. Boolean b equal to true. And we have one more data type, which is actually, so we have seen integer, short, long, float, byte, char, double. We have one more data type called it double, right? Float, double actually to store decimal values equal to. Okay. So we have 8 data types. Integer value we have 3 types: int, short, long. To store decimal values we have float and double. To store a byte value we have byte. To store a character value we have char. And in order to store a true or false value, we have the data type as boolean. Okay, I can give the variable name as, you cannot use duplicate. We should not duplicate the variable name, so we can use some other variable name for boolean. So we can give like flag, we can give flag. Flag is equal to true or false. Okay. So this is how we can declare a variable using data types.